Good morning, students. So, chemical reactivity of the transition elements. Chemical reactivity and the standard electrodes value. Their relationship between the electrode value. The atom of the transition elements are the rather small and therefore their ionization energy are fairly high due to existence of the covalent bonding and high heat of the sublimations large amount of energy change to required. So, in the solid and the vapor states, they are generally unreactive or it is the noble. For example, so gold and platinum are noble metals. It do not react even in any state. But some are series first 3D series elements can show the some reactivities. So copper, except coppers, relatively more reactive and the oxidized 1 molar acids are 1 molar hydrogen ion concentrations, and this rate can be very slow in comparison to the other. And some are dissolved in nitric acids or other concentrate acids, but more than one acid can be dissolved. Only one acid cannot dissolve it easily. So these are generally unreactive and the noble in natures, and they show the very less reactivity. But in case of the first transition series element, show the some reactivity on the basis of standard electrode potential value. The redox couple of M3 pi 2, M2 pi 2 show the 3 and cobalt 3 ions are the strongest oxidizing agent in the aqueous solution. Like titanium second pi 2 are dititanium monovalents and the vanadium divalents and the chromium divalents are the strong reducing agents. This will liberate the hydrogen from the dilute acids. For examples, this is a liberate hydrogen gas. Another properties of the transition element is the magnetic properties. So when we discuss about the magnetic properties of the transition elements, so different magnetic behavior, so materials are placed in magnetic fields. So the two types of magnetic behavior, diamagnetic and the paramagnetic. So paramagnetic is the substance those are attracted by the when applied the magnetic field. It is attracted by the magnetic field, and diamagnetic is repelled by the magnetic field. The paramagnetic is arises due to the presence of the one or the more number of the unpaired electrons. But according to the physics, you should be study about the physics said the motion of electric charge create a magnetic field. But in case of paramagnetic behavior, the electrons can be revolve around the nucleus. The orbital momentum and spin, they have the two types of the momentum, and this spin as well as motion orbit create a magnetic field. So this is also the particle of momentum particle can be show the magnetic properties. This can be observed by the experimentally as well as theoretically, and show the different. So can be it is measured in the Bohr magnetums units. The total magnetic momentum calculated by sum of the magnetic moment of each of unpaired electrons in associated with the spin angular and the orbital angular momentum. This total called effective magnetic momentum and can be shown by the mu effective. And this magnetic momentum due to the spin and spin means electron can be spinning like लट्टू. जैसे लट्टू होता है, दो वहाँ पे होता है, एक आर्बिट झूमता हुआ होता है और एक अपने आप वहीं पे रोटेट करता है। तो ऐसे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स भी होता है, एक ऑर्बिटल होता है और अपने आप को भी वो रोटेट करता रहता है, तो स्पिन हो गया, तो 2 हो गया। म्यू इफेक्टिव आर म्यू स्पिन ओनली कैलकुलेटेड बाय दिस फार्मूला अंडर रूट n इंटू एन प्लस टू, वेयर एन इज द नंबर ऑफ अनपेड इलेक्ट्रॉन्स। यहाँ पे एन की जो वैल्यू है अनपेड नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स रखेंगे, वह रखेंगे तो 1.72 समथिंग आएगा, और ऐसे ऐसे ही वो इंक्रीज होता जाता है। इट मीन द मैग्नेटिक मोमेंटम इंक्रीजेज विद द इंक्रीजिंग देयर unpaired number of electrons. So all transition elements mostly show the paramagnetic or diamagnetic behaviors, and there one is diamagnetic. So diamagnetic substance is one is the repelled by the magnetic field, those have all electrons paired. It have a magnetic momentum 0 and it is considered as a diamagnetic substance. For example, Zn2 positive. In case of Zn2 positive, it have the all electron in paired D10. It have no unpaired electron, so it considered as a diamagnetic. I hope you understood about this. Next topic, formation of the colored ion. So most of the compound transition elements are colored in solid or in solution state. This is unlike the S and the P block elements. Color of substance can be shown by the their color show by the visible range of the lights. When the light is absorbed, it is the visible range and can be appear in the different colors. This is the D, and sometimes it is called the DD transitions, and this can be discussed in the later unit 9 like coordination compounds. So colored. So many of the compounds show the green color, violet color, etc. on the basis of. So I hope you understood and note down it.